been a minute since I have filmed, but today I have a couple of stuff that we have to do. I have some orders that I need to pack. What else do I have to do? Go drop these off. Hopefully I can catch UPS in time to drop these packages off. I also need to make some more body oils, order some labels. Yeah. But I decided to pick up the camera today randomly because I haven't picked it up in a minute and I wanted to film. I was just in that mood and just give you some updates about what's to come, what's been going on. I'm not gonna make this video too long. We have some exciting news. I'm gonna pack these orders first so I can get this out the way because it is currently, what is it? It's 3:35. Today's Sunday, August 10th. I cannot believe it's already August. This is crazy. Like, where did the year go? But yeah, I have some exciting news, but I'm gonna get this out the way. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of the first orders and then I'm just gonna pack them and then go drop them off and then we'll continue chit-chatting. I had already packed this order previously, but I thought I missed something, but I did put it in here, so I have to get a new box. But Siobhan ordered like 9 items. Let me block out her address. She ordered about 9 items of body oil, so we're gonna go ahead and repack these. Y'all, I destroyed this box trying to open it. Crazy. Put that over there. So we'll start with what she got. Got a strawberry body oil, which is this one. She got 2 mango and coconut cream body oils. Delicious. A mango tangerine. She got an island dream, sugar lychee, cocoa vanilla cashmere. This has been like a top seller. Pina colada, all 8 ounces. I was running a sale, I believe, last week, or the week before. It was 2 for $18, or you got the $10 body oil. So that sale went really good, and a lot of people went and read up on oils that they had before, on ones that they wanted. I should not have put all these packing peanuts in here. But let me put y'all down so you guys can see. Don't mind the mess. I need to clean my workstation because I've been working nonstop. Alright, let me take some of these out in here. Perfect. So Siobhan's is all good to go. See? It's like it never came off. Right here. Alright, so Siobhan's order is all complete. Jennifer. She got a pina colada, a black cherry oil, sugar lychee, I'll have it over here, island dream, and sweet tropics. Okay. That is good. She had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 6. Perfect. Make sure all of this is correct. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and pack this up. I don't think this is gonna fit. maybe I need to take some of these packing peanuts out of here. Trying to see if this is gonna be, it's kind of heavy. Hopefully it'll be fine. I think maybe double up. Our order is done. She got a lemon bar body oil, sugar lychee, and a cocoa vanilla body oil. So I'll go ahead and pack these up, and then the rest I'm just gonna try to do fast so I can get out of here. Alright y'all, so I finished packing those couple of orders. I have a bunch more to do when I get back, but I needed those to get out because I didn't want them to be too late. I don't even know where I put my phone. It's 4:21 and I have to get there. Actually, let me make sure they close at 5. I am going to go and drop these off and then I'll come back, or I may talk to you guys in the car. I'm not sure. Either way, I'm gonna let you guys know, so I'll be back. So I finally dropped off the packages. I made it just in time because it literally just turned 5 o'clock. But yeah, so the good news, I am going to be a sponsor at a New York Fashion Week event next month. I was emailed and given the opportunity and invited to an event which is gonna have like a bunch of people of all, I don't even know. I don't even know how to explain it. It pretty much is a mixer networking event. There's gonna be some big people there that I'm not aware of yet. And then other business owners, fashion designers, beauty business owners, a whole bunch of different people. Yeah, it's pretty much gonna be a networking mixer event, but happening in New York Fashion Week. The person that reached out to me is a fashion designer themselves, and they pretty much, what's the word I'm looking for? Reached out to me for the beauty side. They also reached out for people that are doing fashion design, etc. So my products have been chosen to be in VIP gift bags, which are going to be given out to VIP invitees. I'm going to have my products in there. I'm still deciding which ones I'm exactly going to put in the gift bags, but I'm thinking to do the body oil sample sizes. I have to make 100, so, and then I have to provide the gift bags. So because they're gonna put it, it's gonna probably be in like one big gift bag, like bag, tote bag, and then all the different sponsors will have their stuff in their little, you know, custom gift bags, which will be in that one big size tote. I have to actually go meet the person, literally I think on the 1st, which is Labor Day, to bring the products. And yeah, I'm super excited. My logo is going to be on all the marketing, well, not all of them because it was different like tiers, of course, but it's going to be on some of the marketing, it's going to be in some of the videos. I'm able to go and film my own content, and yeah, I'm a little bit nervous, but I said this year, I literally asked for this, like I wrote this down. I said this year something is going to come up. There's going to be an event where I'm going to have to come out of my shell and network with people. The one thing that I do not like to do because I'm an introvert, and I literally asked for this and it's happening. So I'm just like, oh, okay, you know, be careful what you ask for, literally. But yeah. And when they reached out to me, I was just like, what is this? And then literally, I think the next day, another curator for another event, it's like a woman empower event, emailed me too, and it was like they want my products in their gift bags for this girls empowerment type of themed thing. I have to go look back at the email, and I think they're in, I forgot what state they're in, but those I have to ship the products to. And I think they're gonna have like yoga and all type of things, and it's like self-care type of theme, so I'm gonna be sending products to them as well. I'm just like, whoa, one at a time. But listen, I'm here for it. I'm grateful, I'm excited. And you know, ironically, y'all know I went to school for fashion design, and you know, so I was just like, what are the odds I'm gonna be in New York Fashion Week event but with beauty products. But hey, listen, you never know what the future might hold. I give the 8-ounce body oils, that's coming out of pocket a little bit more versus the sample sizes. If you guys don't know the sample sizes that I'm talking about, we do offer the mini sample size body oils and all the scents that we have, which is on our website, so you can go check that out. And we just dropped some new scents, so if you want to try it out and not buy the 8-ounce size, then go get you some. But yeah, I'm excited. I think I'm gonna vlog because I'm gonna be going by myself. I got two VIP tickets, but honestly I think I'm just gonna go by myself, and I'll have no choice but to mingle. We're not gonna think about that. We're gonna think about the bigger picture, the opportunity, right, to talk to people, network. I don't know what type of opportunities I'm gonna get out of this, but I'm sure there will be one. I'll walk away with something. Someone knowing my brand, someone done tried my body oil from the gift bag. Something great is going to come out of this, and I am claiming that. Okay, something great. There was a reason why I was given the opportunity, and something amazing is going to happen out of this. I'm affirming that. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, I'm just in great spirits. You know, just trying to remain positive. This came at the right moment for me, and yeah, it makes me know, like, you know what, Nikki, you're doing something good. You know, it's been very stressful, but something great is going to happen, and I feel it in my bones. I don't know if you guys can see me in this lighting, but yeah. Anyway, I am going to go back now. I have to make some body oils, pretty much draft up all that I have to do for these 2 events, and then plus pack more orders, and I have to send out some emails, etc. So I'll check in with you guys later. So I am back. Yeah, I need to start strategizing how I am going to do everything. This is the Glow Body Oil. This is the sample size, 1 ounce. I can either do the new scents or the scents that I already have. Do I do 2 in like a bag or just 1? No, it has to be 1 because if I'm doing 100, if I do 2, then that's gonna be too much. Now I'm coming out of pocket. Way too much. And then I'll get like these little gift bags, maybe custom ones that says the brand name on it, and pop them in there. And then I'll put, yeah, I'm just gonna do 1. I'm not gonna do too much. And then I'm gonna get like maybe little these card inserts, like a business card, marketing, with a QR code so they can scan and go directly to the website, or I get a discount with they shop with us just specifically for the VIP. I think that's what I'm doing. That's what my gut is telling me to do. So I'm gonna do that. These, and I'll probably mix the scents. Let me know in the comments down below. Should I do different scents in the 100 quantity, or just stick to 1 scent? Let me know. I'm gonna try to post this video today so you guys can let me know, because literally I have less than 30 days to get this to the event planner. Wait a minute. I have some bags left over from the pop-up shop I see that. All right. Then for the other event, the other woman empowerment, there wasn't a quantity requested, so that one I could probably keep down to like either 40 or 50. The woman empowerment one, they worked with Black Girl Vitamins. I know that brand. There's some other brands here, but I don't know about them. Candier, Own, Peaches, Georgie, Slate. Y'all let me know if y'all know any of these brands. Drip Drop, Mixers, LYS Beauty, The Good Patch. I feel like I've heard about that. Nello, Curl Days, Citizens from Atlanta. It's their 3rd annual Boats and Brunch. It's a signature event that brings together vibrant, socially active women for a day of connection, networking, and unforgettable vibes. Too bad I won't be there. I wish I could have. It's too last minute. So that event is on the 6th of next month. So I need to ship this out soon. Any other updates? Again, we have more scents that we just dropped. Fall and some for like still the ending of summer, because a lot of people were asking for summer scents. I know I'm late, but better late than never. So you guys can go shop that. I'll probably put on the screen the QR website for you guys to go shop that. Again, we have them in the sample sizes, and we have it in 8 ounce, but if you want to try the trial sample size, you can do that. That was pretty much for this video for today. Super short and sweet. I'm going to try to pick up my camera more. I know I say that every single video, but all I can do is try, and I'm gonna try. You guys let me know in the comments down below what other products would you like for us to offer for the fall winter time. We are working on doing not gift sets but bundles for real this time, so that is already in the works. I'm just working on the packaging, and then literally I'm going to do a campaign promo for that so you guys can shop. Yeah, just let me know what you guys want, and I'll try my best to make it happen. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.